could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So guys, this is Sunny Zenger back with a new video in which I'm gonna be telling you how to turn on your Xperia M2, which is not charging, not turning on, and even if you try this method of turning on, it won't work. So there is a very simple and easy way of turning it on. So you have to take out this SIM card slot. You have to open that, and when you open that, here you will see a yellow button. Yes, a very tiny button. You can notice over here. So let me push that button in. Wait a second. Yeah, some obstacle is needed to push that button. So you're gonna push the button. Yes. Now in this way, your Sony Xperia M2 will be turned on. Yes. That was so simple and easy. You have to hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, or if it still not works, you have to hold it for more than 5 seconds. So it worked, and it is really useful. This is Sony Xperia M2. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, and please comment and subscribe. Goodbye.